TP310 colorimeter. It has 2.8-inch TFT display and measuring aperture diameter is 4 mm and can be extended to 8 mm with additional fixture. It can store 100 standard readings and 20,000 test samples. It has 3 light sources for analyzing the color. Lamp life is more than 1.6 million times in 5 years. A full charged battery can be used for more than 3000 measurements. Sensing detector is silicon photodiode. The first screen shows white and black calibration. The instrument comes along with the calibration plate. For testing, 2 test specimens required. One is the standard and the another is sample. So first taking standard reading, the instrument will read LABCH values of standard color, where L defines lightness or darkness value, plus L means the sample is lighter, negative L means the sample is more darker. A defines red-green value. Positive value of A indicates the sample is more redder and negative value of A indicates the sample is more greener. B defines yellow-blue value. Plus value of B indicates that the sample is more yellower and negative value of B indicates the sample is more bluer. So for capturing readings, press testing key. So these are the readings of standard sample. Then press enter to take sample readings. It will again capture LABCH values of sample and then compare it with standard readings of LABCH. Then at last gives us the value of delta E, which is the deviation of readings of sample with standard. Put the sensor above the sample. So here the delta E value is 0.87. There are some more things to know about TP310. The first feature is color offset. Go to menu. So if this feature is on, then on measurement display will show red plus plus, white plus plus, yellow plus, where red plus plus indicates that the sample is little red, red plus indicates that the sample is slant red. It is same in the other cases of white and yellow color. Second feature is SCI or SCE mode. Go to menu. SCI mode is used. SCI is specular component included. and SCE is specular component excluded. SCI is used to find the true color of the sample irrespective of surface conditions like glossiness, roughness, etc. While SCE is used to know how the observer sees the color or the color perceived by human eye. Generally, SCI mode is used for color analysis.
इसमें कुछ है नहीं है सच, सॉफ्टवेयर से कनेक्शन करके दिखाना पड़ेगा ना. और तो इसमें कुछ है नहीं. डिलीट कैलिब्रेशन. एक मिनट. हाँ मैं ये भाई साहब यहाँ पे एक बार करके देखे कैलिब्रेशन.
For calibration, go to calibrate, enter. So first screen shows white calibration.
प्लेट का है.
Put the white side of the calibration plate below the sensing part of the instrument. And press testing key. So white calibration
फेल क्यों गए? इसको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा क्या वाइट कलर?
So calibration, first white calibration, open this and then place it over the white plate, then press enter and then press testing key. It is showing calibration success. Then for black calibration, direct sensing port to air and then press black, enter, then press testing key. So it's showing black calibration success. Again fix it for measurement.
So here I am demonstrating how user can enter a new sample in the standard saved previously. Go to record, enter, then select the standard over which you have to enter a new sample. So this is the standard 046. Take the sample, place the sensor over the plate, then press menu, then sample. So it will capture the new standard readings in the same standard. So serial number is 002, second sample, and T046 is the standard number. Connect instrument to the software, to the computer. Once data cable is connected, go to menu, then click on COM, then again enter. So it shows it is communicating with the computer. Open the software. So the software is TPS. So this is the live status of the instrument. If it is not showing connected, then restart the instrument. Then for taking data, go to data, then manage instrument record. Select the standard number by pressing Control key, select both the samples, store, then go to measurement, color difference cumulative, select the standard and the samples, then print to Word. So a Word file is generated. So this is the standard data LABCH, and these are the two standards. User can edit header name from here, Presto Stantis address,